morning, good afternoon, good evening, on whatever the time this show meets you. We are doing goldmine pepper soup today, and it's not only goldmine pepper soup. The goldmine pepper soup is going to have yam and plantain to go with it, and you know, and the orishi that can accompany it. So guys, I got a healthy goat meat. This is it here. Yes, my goat meat is washed clean, cut into bite-able size. I have my ginger, I have my cloves and garlic, I have my calabash nuts, that is calabash nuts. I have my crayfish, I have my jalapeño. I am not going to use a habanero because jalapeno is spicy on its own. So I have my red bell and green bell to garnish it. I have my yam, I have my plantain here and onion. And guys, I have my crushed scent leaf. And guys, I am not going to forget this in a hurry. This is Goldmine Aroma Soup Mix. I'm doing the coconut rice mix for it because of the flavor of that shrimpy flavor in it, guys. So without much ado, I am going to put the goat meat on the pot first and boil it till tender with seasoning. Everything has already been mixed and packaged for your use. You don't need to bother about your salt, your condiments, your spices, your sauces, you know. And I am going to touch base on the calabash nuts, the posa. The calabash nuts, you know, it's hard to crack and hard to blend. So this is what my mama taught me, that I am going to fry it first. Maybe what is yam, Sophie? I will just roast it a bit on fire. And when you roast it on fire, the smell or the aroma is good. And it comes out beautifully well and easy to crush or to blend. And guys, I'm going to use my blender or my mortar. Which one do you want me to use? I don't want to stress myself. I'm going to use my blender. So guys, let's go. Guys. Yes guys, next to the calabash nut, now I told you how to handle your calabash nut, which is posa. It's hard to crush or to blend, so most times you want to roast it on fire for a little bit before you peel off the shell and blend it. Let's roast this one on fire now, just for a few minutes, 2 minutes. The calabash nut, the jalapeño, drop your yam as a Okay guys, this is my yam and plantain goat meat pepper soup. Oh nice, you know, I always take you through all the details on how it's being made. We're just a phone call away. Call us for your order, we're here. So guys, subscribe, like, share and push the notification button so that you can always be notified when we pull up any new video. Thank you as always. Keep on keeping on. We love you at Goldmine Aroma. Have a great day.